everybody, it's Tori from Tinicum Library, and today we're going to be making a gingerbread take and make craft. You do not have to register for this craft, just come to the library and pick it up while we still have supplies available. Before we get started, I just want to remind you that we do have a gingerbread preschool story time. That is coming up December 9th at 11 a.m. I'm going to start off by putting the frosting point on top of my house. This actually has a sticky back that you can just peel right off. Next, I'm going to put on the front door, and this is what my house is looking like so far. Now you can just decorate it however else you want. I'm putting the gingerbread window above the door, and on either side of my door, I'll be putting a lollipop. For the chimney, I am going to stick it onto the back side of my house, and it should stick pretty well to the sticky back of the frosting. You may need to add some glue though. The rest of the pieces are completely random and you can do whatever you want with them. I added candies kind of all over the place, just in random spots. And that's it. That's your little gingerbread house. Thanks for joining us and I'll see you next time.